welcome to my very first vlog. लोग ऐसी बातें कर रहे हो ना, मुझे बहुत सारा काटना पड़ने वाला है. What my breakfast looks like. These are the pair of black leather boots which I just woke up and it's 7 in the morning. Let me show you the proof. My phone. It's here. Good morning and welcome to my very first vlog. I am super excited for this and also it's a long day for me, so let's get going. Also, if you are new here, then hi, I am Hansika Lathi and welcome to my channel. So the first thing I do in the morning is to drink lemon and honey water because I prefer to give a healthy start to my day. Also, I do not use phone until I finish with all my morning rituals because that is such a bad habit and you need to get rid of it. ऑल्सो गाइस, पानी हमेशा बैठ के पीना चाहिए, खड़े रह के कभी नहीं पीना चाहिए. I'm done with all my bathroom things and it's my hair wash day today, so I will do hair oiling now. Also, मैंने कुछ महीने पहले एक आर्टिकल में पढ़ा था that you should not oil at night and keep it overnight. That is actually not good. Keeping it for like 30 minutes is enough. अभी तक मैंने स्पेक्स नहीं पहने थे बट आई एम अ चश्मिश एंड आई कांट लिव विदाउट माई स्पेक्स. ऑल्सो आई डिड हेयर ऑयलिंग, मैंने घर को झाड़ू भी मार लिया है. दैट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ माई डेली रूटीन. वैसे तो मैं और भी कई सारे काम कर लेती हूँ बट आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट एनी मोर बिकॉज आई हैव माई एग्जाम्स. Sorry ma, and me and my mom are going to make breakfast now. तो मम्मी और मैं अब चॉकलावा केक एंड पास्ता बना रहे हैं. And this is what my breakfast looks like. I quickly took a shower and just in case you don't know, I am a dental student and as I informed you all earlier, I have my exams, so it's my study time. इट्स माई स्टडी ब्रेक नाउ एंड स्टडी ब्रेक्स में तो मैं बहुत रैंडम चीज़ें करती हूँ बट इफ़ यू हैव सम इंटरेस्टिंग एंड फन आइडियाज़ टू डू इन स्टडी ब्रेक सो दैट वी कैन रिफ्रेश अवर माइंड देन प्लीज़ डू कॉमेंट डाउन बिलो. आई विल पिन द बेस्ट कॉमेंट सो दैट it will help everyone in general. By the way, I got my hands on these sleek metal frame which are so trending right now and I got it in the silver shade and it really suits me, I think. And yeah, ta-da! I got these Nykaa parcel few hours back. Don't worry, मैंने इन्हें sanitize कर लिया है. And if you want me to do a Nykaa haul video, then do let me know in the comment section. I will surely do that. And now let's get back to studies. It's my lunch time now and for a minute मैं almost भूल गई थी that I'm vlogging today. पर मम्मी को याद था, so मम्मी ने मेरी फेवरेट सब्जी बनाई है, पनीर की सब्जी, दाल चावल एंड फलका. I am done with my lunch now and I am so full right now and I must say that my mom is the best cook ever. And yeah, now I'm gonna video call my friends and have some goofy talk. हाँ. वाह, ये तूने किया हुआ है?
हाँ.
वाह,
ये कहाँ लगाया है तूने? बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है.
हाँ.
क्या दीदी बताइए?
तुम लोग ऐसी बातें कर रहे हो ना, मुझे बहुत सारा काटना पड़ने वाला है. ये पूरा दिखाई यार.
और साइड में भी बहुत बार बोला था कि यार तेरा दोस्त बहुत दिन हो गए, पता नहीं लोग कैसे ये
और वो यार हर बार कितने मैसेज भी करती थी, आई मिस यू, आई लव यू।
सच में हमेशा टेक्स्ट करती है। मतलब है ना, हम लोग भी इतना नहीं करते, वो इतना करती है।
हाँ,
अपन ही नहीं समझ पाए बहुत इंडिकेशन थे, बहुत इंडिकेशन
बस आते हैं तक 6 मंथ से।
सो गाइस, रेंजो एक खुशी का भी एक चैनल है जहाँ पे वो आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट का बताती है। आई विल लिंक हर चैनल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो, सो डू चेक दैट आउट एज वेल। बाय गाइस, love you. I had a really nice talk with my friends. They just lifts my mood from here to here, and now I will go for Diwali shopping. But before that, I want to have a serious talk with you guys because lockdown की वजह से the economy has been affected adversely. So please prefer buying things from the local stores, and if you can afford, then avoid bargaining as well. All I want to say is vocal for local. And now I will quickly change and we will go for shopping with my mom. अब हम दिवाली आउटफिट देखने आए हैं। We are so happy guys, I finally got a शरारा set and मम्मी ने 2 ड्रेसेस लिए। Yay! By the way, this is my OOTD ruffled sleeves top tucked in a high waist jeans and sneakers. We came back home and we changed into our comfy clothes and बहुत time चला जाता है यार shopping में।
5-6 घंटे चले गए।
Means we took so much time to finalize our outfits. Means if we like a pattern, then we did not like the
किसी
finishing.
का कलर अच्छा लग गया तो फिर किसी में फिनिशिंग नहीं थी, या तो फिर किसी कोई कलर इसको अच्छा लगा तो वो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा।
And we literally took so much time to decide color. मतलब हम 2 colors में बहुत confused हो गए थे that what to choose, and we took literally like I think 15 to 20 minutes color decide करने में ही लिया था। I mean literally shit. But anyways, now we will cook. So we are going to make pizza today for dinner. Generally I skip dinner. Actually I do dinner even it's my favorite dish, you know. So we have toppings ready, ready-made pizza base, tomato ketchup, pizza sauce, oregano, chili flakes, salt, some cheese cubes. So let's do it. If you all just got tempted, then I am not sorry, and probably अब मैं पढ़ने बैठूंगी. By the way, this is the comfy outfit which I have wore today. I just changed into my favorite PJs. Now I will share with you all the miniest Amazon haul ever because I have got these 2 parcels delivered जब मैं शॉपिंग को निकल रही थी उससे पहले, तो मैंने इनको सैनिटाइज करके कोने में रख दिया था and now I will open it and show you all what I have got. These are the pair of black leather boots which I got from Amazon and I really like the quality at this price. Its cost is rupees 527 and look at it, the sole is really nice, the heel is looking so classic, and the boot overall is so chic. And there is actually a backstory behind this. I saw Michudi wearing these in one of her reels and I liked it, so I bought these and I am loving it now. I wore these and it fits me perfectly. My size is 5 UK by the way, and I will link them in the description box. There are more colors available, you can check that out. And the next thing that I got are these sunglasses. So there comes one pouch like this, a clothes, and there are 6 shades. Okay, I will try these first. So I got these 6 sunglasses, but honestly I didn't like the quality of these, so मैं ये return करने वाली हूँ. I'm not gonna keep these. And that was it for the haul. So with only 2 products, so that's why I told the miniest haul ever. I am having haldi ka doodh right now because it helps to build our immunity. And अगर आप लोग नहीं लेते हैं तो आपने भी लेना चाहिए because कोरोना अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. And I will be ending my vlog here. अभी मैं थोड़ी देर और पढ़ने बैठूंगी because आज दिन में इतनी पढ़ाई नहीं हुई है, and then I will go to bed जब मन करेगा तब. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell because majority of you people have not turned on the post notification bell, so please do that. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Loads of love.